On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to properly bleed your S63 powered vehicle. Now, this in particular is on the F90, but I'm certain it works with multiple years. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so when you're ready, you're going to walk over, grab your keys. Now, I ensure the vehicle has been in a deep sleep. So first thing, unlock it. Now what I do is I like to prop the door open just on the one hinge. Head inside, grab the seat belt, click it in, and then jump in as graceful as possible. Now your start button here, you're gonna hit this 3 times quickly. It's gonna put the vehicle into diagnostics mode. Now from here, you're gonna turn the headlights to full, and you're gonna ensure that the fan speed is on the slowest, not automatic, and at the highest temperature. From here, you're gonna depress the throttle for 10 seconds, right past the kick down, so right on the floor. And then wait. Duh, 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 duh. All right, now we're gonna go to the front and I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. Very important, leave the door open. So when we head over to the engine bay, it'll be pretty audible. Not sure if it picks it up on the phone, but you can hear the coolant circulating. And you'll hear and see it just inside here. Of course it stops as soon as I get there. So I'll put another clip of what it looks like that I got already. So you can see it's relatively easy. Now, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to run it, I would say 2 to 3 times. I run it 3 times, and even on the third one, I noticed that it's still bleeding air pockets. So run it 3 times, and then you should be good to go. Blub, 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 blub. Shrink up. That's all for today. We'll see you on the next one.